In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro Earnings. If you want a clear view of upcoming and recent earnings and how to quickly make sense of the numbers that matter, this walkthrough will help you get set up and confident. First, open the earnings calendar. This is the dedicated view in Benzinga Pro where earnings information lives. To get there, go to Calendar, then select Earnings. Once you're on the earnings page, you'll see a clean lineup of companies reporting for the dates you're focused on, along with key details to help you plan around announcements. Front and center, you'll notice a list of tickers and company names paired with the expected report time. Pay attention to whether a company is scheduled before the market opens, after the close, or during market hours, because that timing can influence liquidity and volatility. You'll also see the reporting period, such as the specific quarter, so you're clear on what time frame each result covers. Next, look for the consensus estimates and, when available, the actual results. The EPS estimate indicates what analysts collectively expect per share earnings to be. If actual results are posted, you can compare them side by side. The same goes for revenue. You'll typically see a revenue estimate and, once released, the actual figure. The surprise metric reflects how much the result deviated from expectations, which can be a quick way to gauge sentiment shifts. Keep an eye on confirmation status as well. Some entries may be marked as confirmed, while others are still estimated. Confirmed times tend to be more reliable, but companies can still adjust their plans, so treat exact times as guidance, not guarantees. It's also worth noting time zones. Make sure the displayed time aligns with your local clock to avoid missing a release. Use the calendar view to get a sense of clustering. Earnings season often brings multiple high-profile reports on the same day, and seeing them laid out helps you prioritize focus and manage risk around overlapping catalysts. If you follow specific names regularly, checking their prior actuals alongside current estimates can provide helpful context for how the market might react to similar beats or misses. As you review the earnings calendar, think about how this information fits into your broader preparation. Understanding when results are due, what the street expects, and how results compare once they're posted. By opening the earnings calendar, going to Calendar, and selecting Earnings, you've got everything you need in one place to stay organized during earnings season and make more informed, timely decisions.